Okay, this is my tip number 2 on the brake change. I have the caliper back on and the rotor and the wheel back on. Before I tighten the caliper bolts though, I am going to come back in here and just barely, just hand tight. Very little. I want them to sort of bottom out, but not much. I want the disc to be just a little bit loose still. What I'm going to do is, before tightening the bolts for final tightening, I'm just going to spin the disc a few times. I want it to center on the wheel and find its natural position, sweet spot. What we're trying to do is to get the front brake to stop chattering going into corners. This is a pulsing that you feel in the brake lever. It's very distracting when you ride, and it numbs your feel for everything else going on. So before we tighten this, I'm just going to give it a few turns. Then we'll come back and tighten the bolts the rest of the way back down. And make sure everything's good. And then I'm going to tighten it back up, and tomorrow we will find out at the track if our braking performance is better.